Hello everyone. So do you know there is option of channel following as well? So there are channels on WhatsApp as well, right? Whom you can follow and take the updates, whatever they share with you. So on the screen visible, you can see that there are channels of find channels to follow. So here you can find and explore more kind of channels. So we have WhatsApp channel and many more, and followed ones are above it, the channels where it is written whom I have followed, she the people channel, all that, right? So what do we get from these channels? So they have their own goal of sharing some things about it, like this has its own, so they share their posts, their links, right? So we have this due career counseling, so they share all the stuff that they want to promote, and you can follow them if it is useful for you. This is the information area, like they have their description which will tell what they actually are about, their name, and like we have conversation with other people, so we see the info area. This is quite similar to that but not here. Anyways, so let's follow people. So what you do is you click on explore more and see there are options of following, right? So there's option of follow, you click on that, you tap on that, and you can follow that person. We can also search through different categories, and so like I'm just following this yoga and you, right? So I'm going to follow that by clicking on that channel, going to its description area and clicking on following, right? You just need to tap that follow and it will show following, right? And then that channel will come in your channels list, like the channels whom you have followed, right? So that's how we do it. That's how we follow channels, and you can stay updated with whatever they want to share. Now the third way to follow the channel is this: you go to the channel and there's an option of follow on top right corner, so click on that and that channel will come in your list. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Tada.